Did you know there's a bird that sleeps while flying? Meet the common swift, one of nature's most impressive flyers. Swifts can stay in the air for months at a time, and they even take naps while soaring through the sky. These incredible birds eat, sleep, and drink while flying thousands of feet above the ground. In fact, they can spend up to 10 months in the air without ever landing. Flying is their life. They only land to nest and raise their young. Like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts that will blow your mind.